Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, languages, and tap add a language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. So let's pick, for example, Ukrainian, and then to set your system language as Ukrainian, just drag it on top, and after that language will be changed automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then to the Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.